Ever wondered about the fascinating world of animals, like which is the fastest among them? Let's delve into the realm of the speed kings of the animal kingdom. First up, we have the peregrine falcon. This avian speedster isn't just fast, it's the fastest. With a diving speed of over 200 miles per hour, it's a true marvel of nature. This is all thanks to its streamlined body and powerful wing muscles. Next, we have the cheetah, the fastest land mammal. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, the cheetah's lightweight frame and long lean body make it an unparalleled sprinter. Finally, the fastest fish in the ocean, the sailfish. With a top speed of 68 miles per hour, it's a testament to the power of adaptation. Its long, slender body and crescent-shaped tail allow it to slice through the water with incredible speed. So when it comes to speed, these are the undeniable champions of the animal kingdom. Have you ever looked up at a bird soaring in the sky and pondered, how do birds fly? Well, the science behind avian flight is actually quite remarkable. It all begins with the shape of a bird's wings. Each wing is designed with a unique curved shape that's thicker on top and thinner on the bottom. This shape creates a difference in air pressure, causing the air on top of the wing to move slower than the air underneath. And it's this difference in air pressure that generates lift, propelling the bird into the sky. But the bird's wings alone aren't enough. Feathers play an equally crucial role in the art of avian flight. They're not just for show, you know. Feathers provide insulation, waterproofing, and most importantly, they aid in the bird's control and balance during flight. Birds, it seems, have truly mastered the art of flight. Now let's delve into the world of the gargantuan. What's the biggest animal in the world? Here's a hint, it's not on land, but in the vast oceans. The blue whale steals the show, a true spectacle of nature's grandeur. This colossal creature stretches up to 100 feet long, about the length of 3 school buses parked end to end, and the weight? An astounding 200,000 pounds, equivalent to 33 elephants. Imagine that. But what does such a leviathan feast on, you may wonder? Surprisingly, it's the tiny krill, a shrimp-like creature. They consume about 4 tons of krill daily, filtering them through baleen plates in their mouths. Their sheer size and unique feeding habits make the blue whale an unparalleled marvel of the marine world. They're a testament to the diversity and wonder of life on Earth. Indeed, the blue whale is a true titan of the deep. Ever watched a snake slither and wondered, how do snakes move? Well, it's a fascinating tale of biology and physics. Snakes don't have legs, but that doesn't hinder their mobility. They move using a unique mechanism that involves specialized scales on their bellies, coordinated muscle contractions, and clever use of friction. The belly scales or ventral scales provide the grip needed for forward movement. These scales are larger and have a different texture compared to the rest of the snake's body. Now, the muscles. A snake's body is essentially one long muscle divided into segments that contract and expand in a coordinated wave-like motion. This undulation allows the snake to push against the ground and move forward. But it's not just about the push, friction plays a key role too. The friction between the ground and the snake's ventral scales provides the necessary resistance for the push to be effective. Snakes with their unique locomotion certainly add a twist to the animal kingdom. What about our furry friends? Ever wondered, what is the lifespan of a dog? Well, the average lifespan of our canine companions can range from 10 to 15 years. However, this is not a hard and fast rule, as several factors influence a dog's lifespan. One of the biggest factors is the breed. Small dog breeds like Chihuahuas or Dachshunds often live longer, up to 16 years or more, while larger breeds like Great Danes may only live up to 8 or 9 years. Size isn't the only factor though. The care we provide our dogs plays a significant role too. A balanced diet, regular exercise, regular vet checkups, and a loving environment can all contribute to extending a dog's lifespan. And let's not forget the role of genetics. Some dogs are naturally predisposed to certain health conditions, which can affect their lifespan. So our canine companions, though their time with us is precious, is often all too short. And what about our feline friends? Ever wondered, how do cats purr? Well, the answer lies deep within their anatomy, specifically in their throat. When a cat is content and relaxed, a unique phenomenon takes place. The brain sends signals to the laryngeal muscles, causing them to vibrate at a rapid speed of around 25 to 150 times per second. At the same time, the diaphragm, a muscle that assists in breathing, rhythmically pushes air in and out of the lungs. As the air passes through the vibrating larynx, it produces that distinctive, soothing sound we know as a cat's purr. It's a sound that is not only comforting to us humans, but also to the purring feline. Interestingly, Purring isn't exclusive to times of contentment. Cats also purr when they're anxious or unwell, possibly as a way to comfort themselves. So, that's the secret behind the soothing sound of a cat's purr. Let's get back to the birds. Do you know which is the largest bird in the world? It's none other than the ostrich. Towering over the rest of the bird kingdom, it's an incredible creature that holds the title of the world's biggest bird. The ostrich is known for its impressive size, standing about 9 feet tall. That's taller than your average basketball player, and when it comes to weight, it's no lightweight either. An adult ostrich can weigh up to 320 pounds, equivalent to roughly 2 adult humans. But the ostrich isn't just about size and weight. It has some unique features too. Did you know that the ostrich has the largest eye of any land animal? Its eye is bigger than its brain, and those long, powerful legs, they can propel the ostrich at speeds of up to 43 miles per hour, making it the fastest bird on land. So, the ostrich stands tall as the largest bird on Earth. Ever thought about how dolphins communicate? Well, it's a symphony of clicks, whistles, and body language. These intelligent marine mammals have developed a highly complex form of communication that's just as nuanced as any human language. Let's start with clicks. These are rapid sound pulses produced in a dolphin's nasal passages. They use these clicks for echolocation, which is like sonar, helping them navigate and hunt in the vast ocean. Then there are the whistles. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, almost like a signature, that they use to identify themselves. It's like their personal calling card in the sea of sounds. And lastly, body language. Dolphins express themselves through a variety of physical gestures. They might leap out of the water, slap their tails on the surface, or even bump into each other. Each action carries specific meanings, allowing them to convey emotions and intentions. Dolphins, with their sophisticated communication, show us there's much we can learn from the animal kingdom. Ever had trouble telling a crocodile from an alligator? Well, you're not alone. These two ancient reptiles are often mistaken for each other. Let's dive into some of the key differences between them. Firstly, take a look at their snouts. Crocodiles have a V-shaped snout that's narrower and longer, while alligators sport a U-shaped snout which is wider and shorter. Another telltale sign is their teeth. When an alligator closes its mouth, you'll see its upper teeth only. But a crocodile? It can't hide its bite. When its mouth is shut, you can still see its fourth tooth on the lower jaw jutting out. And their habitats? Alligators prefer freshwater environments like ponds and marshes, while crocodiles aren't as picky, living in both freshwater and saltwater habitats. So, remember these distinctions: snout shape, teeth, and habitat. So, the next time you see a toothy grin in the water, you'll know whether it's a crocodile or an alligator. Finally, let's get small. How do ants communicate? These tiny titans of the insect world have a complex system that is both intriguing and efficient. They rely heavily on chemical signals known as pheromones. Each colony has its unique scent, and ants use this to distinguish between friend and foe. They can also use pheromones to leave trails leading to food sources, effectively creating a map for their fellow ants to follow. But pheromones aren't their only form of communication. Ants also use tactile signals or touch to relay information. For instance, an ant might tap or stroke another ant with its antennae to pass on specific messages. It's a form of communication that is both sophisticated and intricate. And it's happening right beneath our feet. Ants, with their complex chemical conversations, remind us that even the smallest creatures have big stories to tell.